Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I have a little canvas that would probably be really cute with some resin on it. But I have a lot of unfinished resin pieces and my art resin turned yellow. So I'm not going to do that. But I am discovering, oh, it's even prettier with my glasses on. I am discovering that I have a desire. Yeah, I'm just going to do it. Oh well. I have been discovering that if I use my gold paint, which is just DecoArt Americana 24 karat gold with regular Floetrol pouring mediums, that I can get all kinds of cool stuff happening. This is a mango color from Primary Elements. Honestly, I think this was an Anita's metallic. Probably red-orange. I'm just going to keep right on going in my... Oop, there's something in there. That's what you get for working outdoors. That is a color I made up with a master's touch and then added unicorn spit in a couple colors, green and blue, until I got the color I wanted. And I'm going to put the cap back on that. I'm just going to drop some of that on there. Cap back on that too. So then, last but not least, that is a folk art color shift purple, which is gorgeous. Cap back on that. If you leave the colors that are mixed with polycrylic or poly whatever out, you will have issues. I have issues with coming back, so they need to stay covered. So I use my cell activator, which is just 3/4 Floetrol and 1/4 paint, and that would be golden fluid black paint. This is a golden magenta fluid, and then it has iridescent pearl fine mixed into it. And I've been having really good luck with the cells from this, so I'm pretty stoked about having this opportunity. You don't even hardly have to wait for them to come back much at all. I probably could have been very happy just tilting that the way it was. And right now, it makes me want to add some black around the edges. So that's what I'm going to do, just to help it flow. And I'm going to try not to leave any more of those little strings from the pillow paint is just a black latex from Walmart. It's a semi-gloss. Poke that right up there. I didn't think I thought I wanted to keep some of the background, but I really don't care at this point. I could probably stop right now and be extremely happy with all that. I could probably use my fingers, go to the corner, and not worry about that either. I am about to work on a 12 by 16 inch canvas, gallery wrapped, 12 by 16 by 2. So this is my warm-up. Hopefully I figure out what I'm doing. I am just filling in with my finger, yeah, but it's pretty. So who knew, just covering over other canvases, that you could get gorgeous blooms. And I may still tilt. My intention is to tilt still. But I love having negative space, so it makes it really hard to want to do that. So I guess what I'm going to do is just keep doing what I am doing and not worry about it. And know that most of the time, if the paint is wet and heavy, it will flatten itself out. Usually the Floetrol is what flattens paint out. That's what it does. Flattens it out and conditions it, whatever. So I've got my corners. Kind of want to blow that center out just a little bit again, and I don't know if it's a good idea or not. I think so. I think it's fun to experiment. I need to do that. I think I'm very inclined to probably leave this alone. But don't trust me, I changed my mind. I just like what's in the center so much, I really don't want to lose it. And I know the point, all of this is supposed to be willing to stretch things out and say goodbye to certain aspects. I'll let some go. I hope I'm not sorry. But I will get more colors over my edges. If I do it on one side, I'm going to have to come back to the other one. And I'm going to get myself completely painted. Well, I liked it while I had it. I like that fiery red in there. I'm almost inclined to just put it back in. Who knows? We may not get to the other canvas. I gotta get the paint off me. Let that rest. So that's cool. It's just not as cool as it was when I liked it the most. Now I'm going to do that again. I am going to add some gold. Add some red. Add some black. Add some pink. Add some more pink. And some more black. And pink again. Oh, I got a little bit of, a few cells. Not like the golden magenta does though. Okay, so I'm actually pretty happy with that, and I'm not unhappy anymore. So that's a great start. And hopefully I can do the other one almost as fast. I like the jagged edges. I was going to say zaggedy. Looks like some cosmic event. Seriously, cool cosmic event. I don't know why it's okay to tilt now, but I definitely have much better cells than I had before. I just don't have them in the center where I wish they were. Which just makes me want to come back again and again. I wonder if you can reverse the order and get away with it. I really don't know. I'm going to try. I'm liking it a little bit better and better as I go. And then I shift things and I'm not so sure. I do have Tungsten art tool catalyst spatulas, and if I wanted to, I could probably pick up some colors and use them. Somewhere if I wanted to. Oh, now I got a spot. Okay, well, never mind. I'm okay with that. I'm going to torch really quick. I only have 6 minutes left. Chances of me getting this other painting started are good. Finishing it, not so much. So I'm just going to call this good, and you can look for that other video. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, asking you to watch the videos longer, and thank you for doing so, those of you who are. It's the only thing the YouTube algorithm understands, and I do notice that somebody is messing with me, because even videos I've watched all the way through are showing that I only watched them halfway. So anybody listening at YouTube, not nice. Unfair. And plain old, straight up, just wrong. But it's not going to keep me from asking you guys to please watch the videos all the way through. Alright, so underneath the video you're going to find Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. You're also going to find the paint pouring recipe. I should tell you there's Teespring clothing under the video where there's all over prints on leggings and t-shirts. There's playlists on my channel totaling 1,200 videos and organized into groups of 10. For the 10 groups organized into 100 each, and then one I'm populating, and genres. And if you're interested in helping support the studio, there are 15 paintings of which you get to pick 3 if you donate $10 to this month's drawing. I will let you know by giving you an email. It's the same email that if you're interested in making a purchase, purchasing a painting, or inquiring about a class, that's the email to use. It's right under the video. What else? Anything else? Check your notifications. I just moved my card away. Oh, tomorrow's videos are often shown on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, which is a group for students on Facebook. And on Facebook also you will find Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more, where you can find a Shop Now button that'll take you to Fine Art America and Pixels.com to see what I've been posting since 2013. Also on Facebook, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has the edited wet and dry photographs from the YouTube videos that I have edited so far. There will be more in time. Most of those places you have to join. If you shop my Amazon link, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out, and I really could use some help. So thank you very much for all that you guys do. I love you dearly. There's over 85,600 of you, and going up. So hopefully maybe 200 more of you than at a time, which is what's happening right now, will watch. I don't know, but I do know I'll be back in a minute with another video. And you can check the community board on my channel also for tomorrow's video. I love you guys. Can I zoom in? I can zoom in. I can zoom way in. Way in. I don't know how long I should leave that up there now. Maybe I missed something I should have told you. I don't know. But I'll leave that up there for a second so you can look at it. That's as close as I can get. I tried to do close-ups recently. It was pretty much a debacle. Alright, you guys, I'll see you tomorrow, maybe. I'm posting most of my videos at midnight, so if you can't find me, look on my channel. And I always like my own videos, so they're on the liked list, as long as it's still available and showing. I love you guys. Bye for now. See you soon. Priscilla out. Anon.